to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My bite-sized loon.
Yeah, I guess in some
If you got
ways.
a really big unhinged jaw.
I love it.
I know, I'd love it too. So, folks, we are going to do an incredible appetizer. Although you can do this as a side dish. It's healthy, but we have a rule here at How to Feed a Loon. It's not going to make it to you guys unless it's absolutely delicious.
Yes, exactly.
Healthy is important, but delicious is
really important.
Is king and queen. So let's tell them what it is. It's our
Buffalo cauliflower bites.
Bites. You're just going to want to bite into this.
Yes.
So, folks, this is unbelievable.
I love this.
We're crazy about buffalo flavored stuff,
gosh,
as you probably know. And we love cauliflower.
Yeah.
So let's marry the two together. And this is so low in calories. It's low. You can even make some adjustments to make it basically
Even lower in calories.
like they have to give you calories. It's so low in calories. Okay, so let's talk
Look about this big old bowl of cauliflower.
Everyone loves cauliflower these days. I love it.
I love it too.
Okay, so this is, first of all, I love going with fresh. So get a head of fresh cauliflower if you can from your produce section of your supermarket. Now you got to be careful because that's got that core in it that just kind of really wants to stick in the middle. So be really careful. So what I do is I just peel away kind of the excess leaves as much as you can. Use your hand. Get a knife. Keep it away from your hand. Don't cut into your hand.
Right.
And then just start to work away that core. You could cut it in half and core it that way, but then you start to break apart some of the florets.
Yes.
So just be really, really careful, and then just eventually you'll get it. And then what you're going to do is just kind of cut it, take your knife, and just start to cut away these pieces. And
leave big pieces, though.
So that is a good point. So when we've made this many, many times over the years, we should give a shout out to our dear friend Kim. I went to high school with her. We're dear. We love her so much, and she turned us on to this.
Kimbo.
We gave her many, many years ago. She told us about this, and so we started playing around with it. And my tendency is when I cut broccoli or cauliflower, I cut it into little
too small
florets, and he always gets mad.
Give me a big bite of cauliflower.
But it really does. As this cooked, we're going to bake it, and it will really start to soften. And if it's too thin, it gets too crumbly and it'll fall apart.
You'll have cauliflower dust.
Yeah, it'll be delicious, but it'll be very dusty. So you want something about this size, and leaving the kind of like the stem or whatever you call that there. It's going to hold it in place. Okay.
Yes.
So that's all there. It's so easy. It's so easy. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you want to talk about that?
So now I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil just to get it good and lubricated.
You said 2 tablespoons, right?
2 tablespoons.
Good. Make sure.
Yes. So I'm just going to mix this together.
Yeah.
And then.
So you're just coating your cauliflower so these herbs.
I said lubricated. Isn't that not a good word?
Well, that's a good way of putting it too. You are.
Okay.
And so you just want to get them a nice coating, so
Yes.
these incredible seasonings that we're going to put on will stick to it.
And,
okay.
Yeah.
I think
good.
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
So
now we're going to throw in all these.
Now, before you throw that in, tell them what they've got.
I was going to.
Then I want you to stir it up.
Yes, wow.
No,
Anyway,
go ahead.
So we've got all these great ingredients. We've got onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and that's a teaspoon of each. And then you have some lovely cayenne right there, and that's a half a teaspoon.
You can use whatever you like.
And we're just going to mix it. Oh, I'm going to mix it in here first. Now I understand what you're saying.
Oh, well, boy, as you're yelling at me for telling you what to do. Okay, anyway, so cayenne is a matter of taste. It does pack a little heat, but that half a teaspoon is not much. And then we've got some beautiful hot sauce that we're going to go here.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm going to sprinkle this in here after I've mixed it up.
If you mix it up, that just means it's all going to be evenly distributed as you toss it, okay?
Yeah. And now he's going to make
okay, so now he's going to toss that. These are going to go in the oven. We have the oven preheated to a scorching 450 degrees.
Yes.
We want them to get almost like a little charred. No, the kind of charred. It's going to be the perfect texture.
Yes.
And then I'm going to make this amazing buffalo wing sauce. It's so super easy.
I love this because you can just like grab a little bit, like have it sitting out, just grab some.
It's addictively delicious, and it's perfect for, weeknight. It does make a great side dish, but I'm telling you, it's that time of the year when big football games are being played, and you want to,
give a healthy choice to your. Well, you're not going to have guests yet.
Well, anyway,
for yourself.
It's so delicious. And when you make this, I swear you're going to think, oh my gosh, I may never have, well, I could never say I would never have chicken wings.
You're a freak about
I am a freak about chicken wings. I'm a wing nut. Okay, so we've got 3/4 of a cup of your favorite hot sauce. Everyone knows Frank's if you live in the United States and beyond, probably. So Frank's is classic.
Yeah, we put that on everything.
We do. And sometimes it doesn't work so good on ice cream. But anyway, and then we've got a little bit of garlic powder. That's like a 1/4 teaspoon. And just mix all of that together. So I'm doing this ahead of time. We're not going to add this to the cauliflower yet. But you can do this ahead of time. Just keep it kind of low. Okay, now get that nice and evened out. Beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, this stuff is ready to go in.
It's going to go in, and so what we're going to do, I like to let it go. Some ovens vary, especially when it gets that hot, so keep an eye on it. But what I have found is 25 minutes is going to get them just perfect. And then you'll see what we're going to do with them. We're going to finish them off in the broiler after we add the sauce. Yes. But you're going to want to turn them and flip them around about halfway through. Yes. Okay, Loon.
All right, ready?
Let's get going. Okay, oh my gosh, it smells. I just love it. Okay, so let's talk about what we've done real quick. They're in there, they're about to come out. You're going to hear the buzzer go.
The bing.
So what we did was we let those go for about 25 minutes, and about halfway through, about 12 minutes into it, I just opened up the oven and I got a couple of spoons and I just tossed them. And you see, they're going to start getting nice and kind of brown and toasty. That's really, really good. Then what we did, you're going to bring them out after that, and then you're going to transfer them into a nice big bowl. You're going to see how they've gotten really kind of brown in certain spots. It's
great.
Beautiful. Then we're going to take that sauce that we made, and we're going to pour that over it, and then we're just going to give it a nice tossing. And now we really want to finish it all off, and we're going to get that coating or that sauce really coated into that into the cauliflower. So what I did is I turned on my broiler on high, and it is about to buzz.
Yes.
And now it's going to be perfect, and it's going to be ready to eat. It's so perfect.
Oh, perfect timing.
I love it when everything works out well.
Woo-wee.
Wow.
Those look great.
Look at that. Over here.
Over here.
Isn't that amazing? Isn't that, the smell is just, it's
those look
good.
so good.
I know. Just wait till you taste them.
Oh.
So now what I'm going to do is, if you want to help me a little bit, be a little careful. So here, I'll just
keep it right there.
Well, okay. So now I'm just going to transfer these to a nice little dish, just like kind of like you would do if you were serving buffalo
wings.
And people, I mean, they're going to flip when they have these.
Oh, that's. Just wait, people. I'll show you the finished product.
I know. Well, they can even see this?
Yes, they can see that.
Okay.
What you're doing. They can't see this over here.
Oh, well, that's a shame.
That's because I'm gonna. It's a big surprise. It's a big reveal moment.
Well, all right. Okay. Is that not beautiful?
Gorgeous. Look at that. Is perfect for a Super Bowl party. Or whatever type of party. Yes.
So I meant to tell you earlier. Now, if you, I mean, these are obviously, as you can watch out there, they're really healthy. That's what we love about them. But you can even go even super healthier and still get mega flavor if you use vegan butter instead of just regular unsalted butter. I've done that, and it's incredible how good it is. It's just an amazing vegetarian dish and can easily be made vegan.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Oh, I love this. I love this. All right, I'm going to take this. You take that, Chris. Take the whole plate. Yeah.
Okay.
And make yourself a little plate.
Yes. So it's great to serve it with some homemade blue cheese. So
I'm just going to put it right on top.
It's like what we've said is, we're going super healthy. Let's, you can cut a little corners and do a little blue cheese. Yes. If you want to go all out and be healthy, get some low-fat blue chease.
Although I love to that blue cheese dressing is so good, I just want to drink it.
I've got the recipe for the homemade. It's so easy. The only problem is that he'll drink it, so. Okay.
All right, folks, I am digging in. I put some, oh, yes.
So, It's incredible. Isn't that amazing that is cauliflower?
I know. I love that taste so much. That is wonderful.
I'll tell you what's really good too is it's even if you're not a big fan of wing sauce, which I'm sorry I can't be friends with you, but if that's the case, it's so good just when they came out of the oven, just like that. Before you put the sauce, you can do it like that.
I'm gonna eat that whole thing.
I know you are, and you better not eat all that.
Wow, I love that tanginess of the sauce, and the cauliflower is great because it's hearty enough that it can carry the sauce. And it's 100% Loon approved.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Oh, you guys, this is so good, and it smells wonderful. And it's got that just enough kick.
You know,
Are you eating off of that plate or that?
I'm eating off my plate, but I'm going to be eating off this too. You get that immediate rush, that immediate sense of gratification when you bite into a buffalo wing because it's that burst of flavor with the coolness of the cream blue cheese.
Yes.
And this has it all. And
So
the
good.
meatiness of the cauliflower, it's just...
It's so good.
Oh my gosh.
Now you can get this recipe on howtofeedaloon.com.
Oh, call me, Flour. So anyway, go to our...
Cauliflower.
Maybe later. Go to our social media, like us, share us, do all of that stuff. Stay healthy. This is a good way to
Yes.
stay healthy.
Yes.
And don't cut on taste. You don't have to.
No, not at all.
All right, we love you
All right,
guys.
bye, y'all. Love you.
Call me later. Hey, everybody.
Hi guys! Now if you want to be a part of the Loon Fun, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you won't miss a single recipe.
That's right. Oh, and speaking of recipes, if you want another amazing recipe like
Yeah.
this, then just click right here.
Yeah, click!
Click!
Subscribe!
It's so much fun.